Hi, Tamara. This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. I do appreciate you talking to me earlier, and I appreciate you clicking on this video. Really quickly, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to improve your website and bring in more customers online. I do this because there's a lot of business owners out there that are spending their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. The only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away, a lot of business owners end up liking me and saying, you know what, Devin, just do this stuff for me. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you, just call me, we could chat. If you want to take this information and do it yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. I know you're passing this video on to the correct people, and so all I ask is if you could just send me back some feedback, whether you like it or not. The 3 things I'm going to talk to you about is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content's whatever's on the front page of your website that Google crawls through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are phrases that people search into Google to find your business, such as like AC repair Austin, air conditioning repair Austin, plumbing Austin, stuff like that, plumbing fluid bills, stuff like that. Google wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page so they know that you're an authority on the subject, including all the text you can read as well as whatever your images are saved as. Let's take a quick peek at your website. I've seen this before. It says you're a service experts company. These guys are like a giant company that acquires and helps market for a lot of other companies. It's very common to see they do kind of like a cookie cutter copy and paste thing. Pretty good. As far as content goes, you do have quite a bit on this front page. Let me see how many you're sitting at in total. Wordcounter.net. So you're currently sitting at about 1,000 words. You're going to want to get that up to about 1,500, 2,000 so Google knows that you're the authority. And also whatever your images are saved as does count as content. Let's see if I can see. So like this, would want to save as like, instead of Mitsubishi logo, even though it is a Mitsubishi logo, you could save that as things such as like air conditioning Austin TX. And Google will read that and be like, okay, this is a guy's an air conditioner in Austin. Same with this, all those, AC repair, stuff like that. So that's my first tip. If you look at Precision Heating and Air, these guys have quite a bit of content on their front page. You see it's just stacked with words everywhere. So again, 1,500 to 2,000 words is going to blow them out of the water. So that's my first tip. My next tip is backlinks. Google's like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. Not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other plumbing companies linking to you or AC companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. Tool I use checks out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. It says you currently have 113 websites linking to you, giving you 2,000 traffic. Nothing to scoff at. That's actually pretty good. But I did notice when I went and looked through that you're being found for things that have to do with blogs, and they're not what have to do with you. So like I separated by volume. AC repair, all these are national keywords that you're getting found for. Nothing that's going to help you with people in Austin. When you start getting down to Austin, let's see, Austin plumbing, for example, like that's a keyword you want to rank for. You can see here, 400 people alone are searching for that. You're on page 9. So that's what you want to be ranking for, that kind of stuff. You want to have that inside of your content. Round rock water bill, maybe, not really though. AC repair Austin, 300 people. You want to be ranking number 1 for that. What else? Air conditioning repair Austin, page 14 or number 14 is page 2. 250 people searching for that. HVAC Austin, 250 people searching for that. Plumber Round Rock, you're at page 8 for that. So these are the type of content you want to have on that page, and be ranking for because there's a lot of content. The last thing I'm going to talk to you about is going to be citations. Citations are important because Google is like a popularity contest, and then look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And you get not all link. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm spaced out. That's backlinks. Citations are right here. So citations are important because when somebody types in air conditioning repair Austin TX and they're ready to buy, they're gonna call the first air conditioner guy or plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time from bad experiences in the past or just having ad blockers. So where you want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map pack section. And getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are really common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories these guys are listed in, and go list yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. Like if these guys have 100 directories are listed in, go list yourself in 150. So that's all I've got for you, Tamara. As a quick recap, I recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 words. You're going to want to get more backlinks than your competitors. These guys are sitting at 296, and you're sitting at 113 if you want to outrank them. As you can see, for those high fault, like air conditioning Austin, they're number 1. Air conditioning repair Austin, they're number 4. AC repair Austin, number 3. Like they're on the front page for all these really good keywords. So you want to go beat them by getting more backlinks than them. And then citations, you want to figure out what directories these guys are in, list yourself in the same ones, and add a bunch more on top. If you guys want to take this information and do it yourself, like I said, that's free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. I just ask you to send me back a sentence or two of feedback. If you want me to help you, our number's down here. It's 214-441-6737. Whether you decide to call or you decide to send me back some feedback, either way, I do appreciate hearing back from you really soon. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.